The Graco Turn2Me 3-in-1 car seat stands out for its rotating base, which lets you swivel the seat toward the door so loading and buckling a squirmy baby is far less awkward on your back. It covers an unusually wide age and size range, functioning as a rear-facing seat for infants, a forward-facing seat for toddlers, and later as a highback booster, so you can realistically use one seat for many years. Installation feels reassuringly solid thanks to the snug locking system and latch connectors that give a clear click when they are properly attached. The harness and headrest adjust together in a single motion without rethreading, and the multiple headrest positions make it simple to keep the straps at the correct height as your child grows. Side impact and rollover-focused crash engineering, combined with deep padding and removable infant inserts, give the seat a cocooned feel that keeps children both protected and comfortable on long drives. Thoughtful touches like harness pockets and built-in storage for the straps when used in booster mode help keep the seat tidy and make daily use much less fussy for caregivers.